Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see that my channel is growing. Today, I'll be sharing some tips on how you can monetize anime videos in YouTube. These tips are based from my experience on my previous anime channel when I tried to apply for monetization. YouTube team will manually review your channel, and in this video I'll share what are allowed and not allowed for monetization. Let's go with the list. Please do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos. You need to give a lot of insights about the anime video. Just like how you criticize a food. You need to talk about what is good or bad about the anime series. Simply talking about the synopsis is not allowed. Also, there is a high chance to monetize the video if there is a voiceover. Here are some anime channels in YouTube that are being monetized. Videos about the anime series can be also monetized in YouTube. In most reaction videos, the face of the person who reacts to an anime series are shown in the video. They record themselves giving reaction while there is a small frame in the side where the anime video is also playing. But please make sure that the anime clips you've included in the video has been trimmed for 3 to 5 seconds. Please see link in the description on how to upload anime videos in YouTube. Here are some channels in YouTube with reaction videos content about anime. Other way to monetize anime video is to create a funny or thoughtful revision of the series. You can add a storyline where you edited the voice of the character or add a different character. Do not simply upload a video clips from an anime series. Just uploading some of your favorite scene without any narrative or critical review cannot be monetized. If you wanted to upload it to gain more viewers or subscribers, that's okay. But please bear in mind that this will affect your application for monetization since YouTube will review the most viewed video and biggest proportion of watch time. Compiling anime clips from different social media like TikToks or Facebook are not allowed to monetize. There would be a high possibility that you can get a copyright as well. Monetizing an anime content here in YouTube is really difficult and risky. Since in Japan there is no such thing as fair use when it comes to their anime series. I hope this video helps you. Good luck.